What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mania back again with another video. Today we're doing cat toys again. This is gonna be the last video that I do on cat toys. So I wanted to make an exciting one. We're gonna be reviewing two different kinds of butterfly wands for kitties. This one is like a butterfly on a wand, and then it's by Cataction JW, and then the other one is Tropics, and this one, it has catnip inside, and so does this one. So yeah, basically all they are is little toys that have catnip inside, and they're on sticks. So let's do it, guys. Here we go. So first we're gonna take them both out of the boxes, and I'm gonna cut them with a knife. So I'll put the camera on the hook like that, so you guys can see me. Okay, so got that. Sorry about that. That was pretty dumb, but whatever. Okay, first one's cut off. Second one. These are hard to get off. Ow. I hurt myself. Ow. That hurt too. Okay, the review for this has already just got knocked down to a 4 because of annoying boxes. Let's get it. Let's get it! Let's do it, guys. Here is the first one. What does that sound? Well, I guess there's little balls inside there. That's cool. Rocky likes it. Alrighty, I think that's enough play for the first one. Now we gotta try the other one. Rocky? Rocky, there's a whole other one. Hold on. There's something I have to do quick. My thingy broke. Hold on 1 second, guys. We got some technical difficulties. This thing got all wrapped up. Alright, there we go. Alright, Rocky. Psst, psst. Okay, so now we're trying out the other one. He likes this one too. Alright, I give them both a 4. I'm rating them both 4 stars because they're pretty cool and Rocky loves them. So yeah. Boop, 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 boop. So yeah, the only reason that they're not a 5 is because the packaging was pretty stupid. But, yep, a 4. So, that's what I rate these guys, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to both Milo Mania and Oscar Pro Official. Peace out, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!